Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is the Bluebill Beach Access Boardwalk up at the north end of Vanderbilt Beach. Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park over to my left. I just wanted you to hear these birds. I love walking along here and being quiet and listening to these birds. Listen to them singing. They're quieting down. Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park there. Give you a quick peek at the beach. It's about 81 degrees right now. Clouds out in the Gulf. Gonna get up to 92 today. There's a look down to the south, down Vanderbilt Beach. Turn around, give you a quick look up to the north. Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park. Go back and listen to the birds for just another minute or so. It sounds like they've quieted down. Their morning concert has come to a close. There's one. Beautiful with that sun glinting through the trees. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of nature sounds from North Naples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, everyone, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.